Hi friends, good evening. Let's continue our earlier discussion on the value equation. Yesterday I talked about the value equation and explained the first variable, that was the dream outcome. Now today I will be talking about two more variables. Number one is the perceived likelihood of achieving the dream outcome and the time delay. So let's get started. Perceived likelihood of achieving the dream outcome. This is in the numerator and it is multiplied with dream outcome. The thing is, first of all, what it is, I will tell you, and why for it is important for you to know this, and how you can build, how you can incorporate this in your messaging, in your ad copy. So, perceived likelihood of achieving the dream outcome. What does it mean? It means how likely do I believe, how much do I believe that I will get the desired result, I will reach the dream outcome if I buy your product. Simple. Basically, how much I believe that if I buy your product, I will get the dream outcome. This is perceived likelihood in my mind. So, the thing is, you need to understand that first thing, why people buy. Not why people buy, they want the dream outcome, but from whom they buy. From whom they buy the product. People buy from people. Incomplete. People buy from people who they can trust, can help them get the desired result. The thing is that I need to highlight here, that people will buy from people who they believe or who they trust can help them get the desired results. The thing here I am emphasizing is belief, trust. So if I need to more explain it concise way, people pay for certainty. Then how much certain I am, how much certain I am that I will get the result, I will get my desired result if I make the purchase from you, if I buy from you. How much certain I am. And the underlying factor is trust. How much I can trust you. How much I can trust you, how much I am certain that your product will give me the desired result. This is what I will pay for. Let me explain you with the help of an example. For example, you need to get a surgery done. Now there are two doctors. One doctor who has done 10,000 surgeries and the other doctor who is doing the first surgery. Which doctor you will go to and pay more? Obviously the first one. Why? Technically speaking, both are giving you the same service, both are doing the same thing, and both may be equally capable. Maybe. But the person who is doing his 10,000 surgery, you will trust him more because he has more successful case studies, he has more successful results. So you will be more certain. Remember the word certain. There will be more certainty in your mind that the first option, the first doctor will get me the desired result. And this I have seen in my mobile numerology, in not in my but in our client's niche related to mobile numerology also. Mobile number designing is a done for you personalized service. People charge 500 rupees, people charge 1100 rupees. My client charges 24,000 rupees for the same mobile number design, and his mentor charges 51,000 rupees. Why? And still people come to us or prefer the higher value option. Why? Certainty. because they are certain that this person is experienced, this person has a track record of giving successful results, because we are able to convey this in our messaging also, that I will be discussing in the later part. But because they are certain that we have delivered people results, because they are sure, almost sure, because they believe that this person can help us get the desired result, they value us more, they pay us more. The thing here is important, I want to, is that they are certain. So people pay for certainty. So how do you build certainty in your product? You build through social proof. More testimonials, more success stories you have, the more better perception your audience will have that you will help them get the results. This is one of the reasons why we use testimonials also. But the more testimonials, the more emotional, hard-hitting testimonials you have, the more will be your, the more value you can project in your prospect's mind, and the higher you can charge. That is the power of likelihood of achievement of dream outcome. So social proof, testimonials in your messaging, then guarantees. Guarantees are also a way to improve, increase the perceived likelihood of achievement of outcome. And guarantees also reduce the risk. For example, you have seen ads, I will help you 5 to 7 high ticket clients in 5 to 7 high ticket clients in 21 days, or you don't pay. You don't pay, you take your money. Guarantees. This is what is about guarantees. That's why guarantees is important, but I will be diving deep into in the later part of the video. But so you need to understand that apart from dream outcome, the second variable, perceived likelihood of achieving the dream outcome, you need to focus on this. And how you can incorporate through social proof, testimonials. Always remember, people pay for certainty. Whenever I try to close clients, it is a live example, that whenever we talk for our mobile number designing to clients, the first question they have, sir, if I pay you this much money and I take the number, will my problem get solved? So what are they asking? They are asking for certainty. They are asking for certainty. Sir, will my problem get solved? If I change my number, if I change my name, will this problem get solved? We say yes, it has helped other students also, so it will help you also. Basically, we have a line of testimonials to prove that if you do what we say, you will reach your goal. So this is how people value certainty. This is how people value what you are offering. And if you are able to provide that certainty through testimonials, social proof and guarantees, the perceived value of your offer increases, and likewise you can charge more. That was the second variable. Now moving on to the third variable. This one is also very important. Time delay from the point they make the purchase to the point they get the dream outcome. For example, I joined the gym today. My goal is to get 6-pack abs and maintain 15% body fat. The trainer says that okay, we will reach there, but it will take 8 months. So the time delay is 8 months. Efforts, sacrifice, I will discuss later. But here you need to understand that the time delay that I am talking about is the distance, is the duration between when I make the purchase, when I enroll in your course, to the point I am getting the dream outcome. If I am able to reduce the time delay, the faster you can help me experience the dream outcome, the more valuable will be your offer. See, but there is a very thin line. You need not promise something random and not able to deliver. So there is a thin line that we need to keep in mind, but the faster, the smaller the time in achieving the dream outcome, coupled with lesser sacrifice, the more valuable the offer will become. For example, these going to a gym versus liposuction surgery, liposuction removing fat, both tackle the same desire of looking beautiful, looking fit. But gym, when you go to gym, you need to do hard work, that too for 6 to 7 months. And what about liposuction? You go to a doctor, within 2-3 days he will remove the fat and you are good to go. Time very less, and that's why liposuction surgery costs $25,000 or lakhs of rupees, and gym membership cost 1,000 rupees a month or 2,000 rupees a month, because time delay is more, so value is less, people will pay less. Now, the deeper nuance of time delay. Time delay is built of two components. Number one, long term value that your prospect will get, dream outcome that, or you can say the dream outcome that your prospect will get, and short term wins and experiences. That is the two drivers of time delay. For example, I joined the gym. What I bought for? I buy the six pack abs, that I want to get six pack abs in 6 months. Okay, so long term value is getting the dream outcome, that is well defined body with six pack abs. That is the long term outcome. But what are these short term experiences and wins? Short term experiences and wins are little experience, little wins that I experience along the way. Basically, when I joined them today, little experiences like increase in my body energy, slow increase in my muscle mass, increase in my strength, ability to lift slightly higher weights, betterment in my posture. These little experiences for which I did not pay, because I paid for the chiseled body. But these little experiences help me stay motivated. Short term experiences, you can say, positive experiences, short term benefits, you can say, that I experience along the way, that help me stay motivated, help me trust the process. Yes, that I have made the right decision by investing in you, by purchasing your product. I have made the right decision by trusting you, by buying from you. As a result, if I will follow this process to the T, I will take it to the finish line, I will stay long enough in the process. As a result, when I stay long enough in the process and put consistent action, what the trainer asked me to do, for example in gym, I will reach my dream outcome in a span of 6 months. Trusting the process, taking consistent action along the way is very much important. Even the science says it, that people who experiences immediate or near immediate win in a process, in a long term process, are more likely to follow that process, complete that process. See, achieving the dream outcome depends on my following the process that you have set to me. Example से समझते हैं. Achieving my chiseled body wants me to go every day to gym and work out for 1.5 hours every day consistently. This is my goal, that I need to do. But only when I experience short term wins, that yes, my muscle mass is increasing, my strength is increasing, only when I experience short term wins, I will be motivated and I will trust that this person is teaching me the right thing. That's why I am getting short term, these immediate wins, and as a result I will follow the process. and I will follow. When I will follow the process, then I will get the results. So when I started this discussion of time delay, I said you need to be realistic in time delay. For example, getting abs 6 to 8 months is required, but if you say like this, it will increase the, it can lower your value. So what you can do, you can add in these short term bonuses, that you will experience better energy, more power, and you will build a, you will also have social benefits. You will build a community of like minded friends, being in surrounded by like minded people who are motivated and taking consistent action, and that's why you will be also motivated. These are short term wins and short term benefits which I didn't bought, but you need to, after making the purchase, you need to sell them. You need to make me realize these benefits. Important thing is that how our mentor does it, that we are undergoing this 123 days challenge 2.2. We need to put on videos. Now our mentor Rohan Sapra sir is very busy, but still when we tag him on Instagram, he motivates it. Keep up the doing work. Keep up, Abhishek. Good work. Great going. These short-term wins tells us that yes, we are not alone. We are on the right track. So as a coach, this mindset, having people experience short-term wins and stay motivated in the process, is very much important for them to complete the process. And only when they complete the process, they will get the desired result. When they will get the desired result, your testimonial portfolio will increase. So that's why you need to install these short-term wins to make people take action, to make people stay motivated. That is very important thing. So time delay, number one, long-term value which I pay for, but short-term wins or benefits that I experience along the way, that keep me motivated and trust the process. Helping through your messaging, through your actions, you need to help me realize these benefits. That is more important. If I am, even though I am making the progress, but I am not realizing, then there is no need, then there is no importance of these things. Its importance is then only when you help me make them realize. Track my, for example, in fitness, you need to track my this muscle mass, weight every week, that I am progressing. This is how you need to work on this. I hope this discussion on two variables, that is the perceived likelihood of achievement and time delay, added value and it gave you a lot of clarity. Let me know and I will be diving more deeper into these topics. Bye bye.